Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add flash transition in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click the transition menu. Then find flash transition. You can see here are find a flash transition. Click it. You can see we add flash transition. Now we can use any sounds on this transition. Click the sounds drop down menu and choose the voltage. You can increase or decrease transition duration. We apply to all slides to flash transition. Click apply to all. Now we can check how we add flash transition in PowerPoint. Click start from the beginning icon. You can see we add flash transition in Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for